Once upon a time in a bustling town, a young girl named Lily lived. She was known for her radiant smile and kind heart, but she often felt overshadowed by others' talents. One day, a grand festival was announced. The townspeople were to showcase their unique skills. Lily, feeling a bit daunted, decided to join in, hoping to find her own unique talent. She thought about her passions of drawing, cooking, and helping others. But she couldn't decide which one to showcase. Feeling overwhelmed, she sought advice from her wise grandmother. "My dear Lily," her grandmother said, "remember, it's not about being the best, but about sharing what you love. Your talent lies in your heart, and it shines through in whatever you do." With newfound confidence, Lily decided to showcase her ability to help others. She organized a mini fair within the festival, offering help to those who needed it. She served food, helped lost children find their parents, and even shared her drawings with everyone. The festival goers were amazed by Lily's selflessness and kindness. They admired her humility and the way she made everyone feel special. Even the town's mayor, who often overlooked Lily, couldn't help but notice her genuine heart. From that day forward, Lily was no longer just a girl with a kind heart. She was a beacon of humility, a role model for all, and most importantly, she discovered her true talent, the power of a humble heart. Lily's story teaches us that everyone has a unique talent, and it's not always about being the best. It's about using what we have to help others and shining our light with humility. So, let's all strive to be humble heart heroes.